Hello everyone, welcome to Helm of Science. So I hope that all of you are doing well. So in this class, we will talk about the concept of trigonometry and we will solve the exercise number 23.3 of the board book of class 10, that is the board book of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, WBBSC. So we will solve the exercise number 23.3. That means the portion of trigonometry which is there in class 10. Okay, so we will solve the exercise number 23.3 from the board book. Okay, so let's start with the first question. So I hope that all of you must have a clear concept and idea about the trigonometry portion of class 10 that you have. Okay, so let's start with the first question. What is given in the first question? It is given if sine theta equals to 4 by 5, then let us write the value of cosec theta by 1 plus cot theta by determining it. Okay, so this is a very simple sum. So let's see. So we have been given that sine theta equals to 4 by 5. Okay, and we have to find the value of cosec theta by 1 plus cot theta, right? Now cosec theta means what? Cosec theta means I can write that it is 1 by sine theta, since it is the reciprocal of sine theta. Now 1 plus cot theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sine theta. Okay. Now if you take the LCM in the denominator, in the numerator it is same. The denominator becomes sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta. So you can see that this sine theta and this sine theta will get cancelled. Okay. So it is actually 1 by sine theta plus cos theta. Now it was given that sine theta equals to 4 by 5. So from this we can find out the value of cos theta. How? So in trigonometry we have formula that sine square theta, that means it is an identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we can write that cos theta is actually what? Cos theta is root over 1 minus sine square theta, right? Now we know the value of sine theta, so we can also find the value of cos theta. So what sine theta is what? Sine theta is 4 by 5. So what is the value of sine square theta? Sine square theta means it is actually 16 by 25. Okay, so it is 16 by 25. Now, so we can write that cos theta equals to root over 1 minus 16 by 25. Okay, we can write this. So from this we can write that it is actually what? It is 25 minus 16, it is 25. So it is actually what? It is 9 by 25. So it is actually what? It is 3 by 5. So in class 10, we are only concerned with the first quadrant. So all the values of the ratios, trigonometric ratios we will take the values positive. Okay, we will take the positive values, not the negative values, since it is concerned only with the first quadrant. Okay. So we have got cos theta equals to 3 by 5. So it is very simple. So now we put the value. So it is 1 by sine theta was what? Sine theta 4 by 5 plus cos theta we have got 3 by 5. Okay. So if we solve this 1 by, if we take the LCM 5, so it is 4 plus 3 by 5. So 5 is in the numerator and 4 plus 3 means 7. So my final answer is 5 by 7. So the required answer for this question, that means the evaluating value of cosec theta by 1 plus cot theta is actually what? 5 by 7. Okay. Now, next we come to the second question of the exercise. So what is said in the second question? It is if tan theta equals to 3 by 4, then show that root over 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta equals to half. So this is also a very simple sum. So see, we have given that tan theta equals to 3 by 4. Okay. So from this we have to find a value of sine theta, then we can put the value of sine theta in the LHS so that we can get the value half. Okay, that is the RHS. Okay, so we have been given tan theta equals to 3 by 4. So from this we can write, squaring both sides, we can write tan square theta equals to 9 by 16. Okay, we can write like this. Now we have read a formula, or rather we have read an identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From this, what we can write instead of tan square theta, so tan square theta is actually what? It will be sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so there are two ways to solve this problem, or many other ways. So I will show you two methods. Okay, first this method. So it is actually what it is. It is lengthy, but the next process that I will be following will be a short one. Okay, so it is tan square theta equals to 9 by 16. So we can write that sec square theta minus 1 is actually 9 by 16. Okay, now we can find out the value of sec square theta from this. So it is 9 by 16 plus 1. So 9 by 16 plus 1 means it is actually what? Sec square theta equals to 9 plus 16, that is 25 by 16. Okay, so from this we can write sec theta is actually what? Root over 25 by 16, that is 5 by 4. Okay, so this is actually my sec theta. Now from this sec square theta we can write cos square theta. Cos square theta is reciprocal of sec square theta, so it is 16 by 25. From this we can find out the value of sin theta. Sin theta is what? Root over 1 minus cos square theta, that is 16 by 25. So it is at 25 minus 16, so it is 9 by 25, that is equal to 3 by 5. So sin theta is 3 by 5. So if we put the value of sin theta in the LHS, what is given in the LHS? It is root over 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so it is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so it is actually what? 1 minus 3 by 5 by 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now simply the calculation. So 5 minus 3 by 5 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So 5 cancelled. So it is actually what? Root over 5 minus 3, 2, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is actually what? Root over 1 by 4. So root over 1 by 4 means half. Okay, so it is equal to RHS. Okay, proof. Now another method for this. So it was given that tan theta equals to, what was given? Tan theta, I think tan theta equals to 4 by 5. Sorry, tan theta equals to 3 by 4 was given. So 3 by 4. So from this we can write cot theta. This is a short process. Okay. In the previous method we have found the sec theta, then we have converted into cos, then we have find the value of sin theta. So in this process we will directly we will get the value of sin theta. Let's see. So cot theta is actually what? 4 by 3. Now there is another identity in class 10. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So from this what we can write instead of cot square theta, we can write cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Why we are doing this? See, here it is cosec square theta. So cosec actually what is the reciprocal of sin theta. So if we apply this method, so it will be a shorter one than the previous. Okay. So from this we can write that, or squaring both sides, cot square theta equals to 16 by 9. Okay. Now from this we can write instead of cot square theta, cosec square theta minus 1 equals to 16 by 9. From this we can find the value of cosec theta. cosec theta is actually what? See, it is root over 16 by 9 plus 1. So 16 by 9 plus 1 means 16 plus 9 by 9. So it is actually what? Root over 25 by 9. That is actually 5 by 3. So you have got the value of cosec theta as 5 by 3. So sin theta will what? Sin theta will be 3 by 4. So see that this is also 3 by 5. This is a shorter method. We have derived at the sin theta 3 by 5. So it is also 3 by 5, and in the previous one it is also 3 by 5. So after that, if you apply this, you will get the result. Okay, LH is equals to RHS. So the next method that I have done is short process. Okay, so it is true. Now the third question. Third question, what is given? If tan theta equals to 1, let us determine the value of 8 sin theta plus 5 cos theta by sin cube theta plus minus sin cube theta minus 2 cos cube theta plus 7 cos theta. So from the given condition, just we have to find out the value of sin theta and cos theta. Then we have to put the value of sin theta and cos theta in the given expression that we have been given, and we have to find the value. Okay. So it is a very simple. Tan theta equals to 1. It is given. So from this we can write that tan square theta equal to 1. Therefore, in place of tan square theta, we can write sec square theta minus 1 equals to 1. Okay. So from this we can write sec square theta is equal to 2. Therefore, sec theta is actually what? Is root 2. Okay. So sec theta is root 2. Therefore, what we can write? Cos theta is actually what? Cos theta is 1 by root 2. Okay. So we have got the value of cos theta. So easily we can find the value of sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is actually root over 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So this is actually what? 1 minus. So what is the value of cos theta? 1 by root 2. So cos square theta means 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. So sin theta is also 1 by root 2. Okay. Now we will just simply put the value of sin theta and cos theta in the given expression. 8 sin theta plus 5 cos theta. We will write the expression. It is 8 sin theta plus 5 cos theta by sin cube theta minus 2 cos cube theta. What is given? Plus 7 cos theta. Okay. Now we will just simply put the value. So 8 into sin theta means 1 by root 2 plus 5 into cos theta is also 1 by root 2. Now if we just do the cube of 1 by root 2, it is actually what? 1 by root 2 into root 2 into root 2. That means root 2 into root 2 is 2 and another root 2 is there. So 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So we can write instead of sin cube theta 1 by 2 root 2 minus 2 into cos cube theta. That means 2 into 1 by 2 root 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 root 2 means 2 cancelled. So it is only 1 by root 2. Okay. Plus 7 into 1 by root 2. Okay. So it is actually what? 8 by root 2 plus 5 by root 2 by it is 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 7 by root 2. Okay. So from the numerator, if we take the LCM root 2, it is 8 plus 5. Now in a denominator, LCM will be 2 root 2. Okay. So it is 1 minus. It will be 2 plus it will be 14. So it is actually what? So it is 13 by root 2 into 2 root 2 by 14 plus 1, that is 15 minus 2, that is 13. So 13 cancelled, root 2 cancelled. So the answer is 2. The required answer for this question is 2. Okay. Now let us go in the fourth question. So what is said here? It is saying that there are two parts actually in the fourth question. So we will do the first part, that is, let us express cosec theta and tan theta in terms of sin theta. So it is a very easy. So cosec theta we can write in terms of sin theta as cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Just this. So this is the answer. And what, and another what is there? Tan theta. So basically tan theta is actually what? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Now, from the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, we already know that what cos theta can be written instead of, in actually what we can replace cos theta with terms of sin theta. So cos theta can be written as 1 minus sin root over 1 minus sin square theta. So here we can write that it is sin theta by root over 1 minus sin square theta. If the sum would have that express this tan theta in terms of cos theta, then we would have done the replacement of sin theta as root over 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and this cos theta will remain same. Okay. So this is the answer for the first part. Next, the second part, it is, let us write cosec theta and tan theta in terms of cos theta. So that I was telling, that I can write that cosec theta is actually what? Cosec theta is actually what? It is 1 by sin theta. Now sin theta can be written as root over 1 minus cos square theta. So this is the answer. Okay. Next, tan theta. We have to write tan theta in terms of cos theta. So just now I have told you that it is sin theta by cos theta. So in place of sin theta, we will write root over 1 minus cos square theta. And this cos theta will remain same. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer for number 4. Next, come to the number 5, and there are 5 parts. We will do the first 5 parts today. Okay. So let's come to the first question. It is 5.1. So it is actually what? It is given sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2. Then let us determine the value of sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so it is also a very easy sum. Now see, from the identities that we have read in trigonometry, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So using the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, what we can write, just see, it is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now we already know that the formula for a square minus b square is what? Is a plus b into a minus b. So as you can see here, that the terms sec square theta minus tan square theta, so it is in the form of a square minus b square, where a square is the sec square theta and b square is the tan square theta. So a square minus b square is equal to 1, it is in the form of like this. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b. So here we will apply the same. So it is sec theta plus tan theta into what we have, a minus b. Just we will remove this. So sec theta minus tan theta, that means a plus b into a minus b is equal to 1. Okay. Now if you see carefully, the value of a plus b, that means sec theta plus tan theta, is given in the question, and we have to find the value of this. So it is very simple. Okay. So sec theta plus tan theta is 2. So 2 into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So from this we can easily find out the value of sec theta minus tan theta.
sec theta minus tan theta is what? It is half. Okay. So the required value of sec theta minus tan theta is equal to half. Okay. So I think it is clear. So the next sum, it is what? It is also the same as the number one. So here we will apply the identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Just see, cosec theta minus cot theta is given in the question, and we have to find the value of cosec theta plus cot theta. So just cosec theta minus cot theta is given. So it is, I think, given root 2 minus 1. Let's see again. Yes, it is root 2 minus 1. And we have to find the value of cosec theta minus cot theta. It is given. So cosec theta plus cot theta we have to find out. So from the identity we can just simply find out. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So again, using the formula a square minus b square, so it is cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Okay. So cosec theta plus cot theta into, what is the value of cosec theta minus cot theta? It is root 2 minus 1. So root 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So cosec theta plus cot theta equals to 1 by root 2 minus 1. Okay. Now this value 1 by root 2 minus 1, you can keep the answer in this way, but it is better to write and it is better to rationalize this answer so that you can get a proper answer. Okay. So we will not get the irrational part in the denominator. Okay. So let's rationalize this. That the answer that is given in the book, it is also given in proper form. That means by rationalization they have given the answer. So it is 1 by, rationalization means root 2 minus 1, we have to just multiply it by the conjugate. That means root 2 minus 1 in denominator, so we have to multiply with root 2 plus 1 in the denominator and numerator. Okay. So this is rationalization. So this is what it is, root 2 plus 1, and it is what, a plus b into a minus b form. So it is root 2 whole square minus 1 whole square. So it is actually what, root 2 plus 1 by, it is 2 minus 1. So root 2 plus 1 by numerator 1. So it is actually what, root 2 plus 1. So root 2 plus 1 is the final answer. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us come to the third question. So third question, what is saying, it is, if sine theta plus cos theta equals to 1, let us determine the value of sine theta into cos theta. Okay. So it is also a very nice sum. Let's see. Now it is what given? It is given sine theta plus cos theta equal to 1. Now just see. If we square both sides, that means by squaring both sides, what will we get? Here we will square the both sides. That means sine theta plus cos theta whole square equals to 1 square. Now, if we break this, that means in the formula of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab, okay, equal to 1. Now, what is the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1. Okay, from identity we know. So 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta equal to 1. So from this we can write 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 minus 1. We have just shift this 1 to the right hand side. So it is 1 minus 1, it is 0. So it is actually what? 2 sine theta cos theta equal to 0. Okay. So from this what we can write, sine theta into cos theta, 0 by 2, that means 0. Okay. So therefore required value of sine theta into cos theta is actually 0. Okay, this is the answer.
Now we come to the next question, the fourth question, that is, if tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2, then determine the value of tan theta minus cot theta. Okay, just let's see this. It is given tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2. Okay, now what will we do in this case? We will just write the cot theta in terms of tan theta. So what will we write? It is tan theta as same, plus cot theta we will write 1 by tan theta. Okay, now if we take the LCM, it is tan square theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2. Okay, so it is actually what? Tan square theta plus 1 equals to 2 tan theta. Okay, so if we bring this 2 tan theta in the left hand side, so tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now if you see this carefully, it is tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 equals to 0. So if you observe this LHS, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to 0. So we can write that it is actually what? Tan theta minus 1 whole square. Okay, equal to 0. Now something's whole square equal to 0 means that that term is individually 0. So from this we can write that tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. So from this we can write that tan theta equals to what? 1. Tan theta is 1. Now we will find the value of cot theta. Cot theta means 1 by tan theta. So cot theta equals to what? 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta means actually what? 1 by 1, that is 1. Now we have to find the value of tan theta minus cot theta. So tan theta minus cot theta is what? Tan theta is 1, cot theta is also 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is the final answer. 0 is the required answer for this question. Now the last question. So it is given that sine theta minus cos theta equal to, but it is given sine theta minus cos theta equals to 7 by 13. Let us determine the value of sine theta plus cos theta. Okay, so how can we do this? Just see. Sine theta, what is given? Sine theta minus cos theta equals to 7 by 13. Sine theta minus cos theta equals to 7 by 13. Okay, so what will we do in this case? We will take the square on both sides. That means squaring both sides, we will get a relation of sine theta into cos theta. Okay, so sine theta into cos theta, we will get a value. That value we will put while solving sine. We will first take the whole square of sine theta plus cos theta. So sine theta plus cos theta, I am doing this. See, so squaring both sides, it is sine theta minus cos theta whole square equals to 7 square means 49, and it is 169. Okay, so if you break this in the form of a minus b whole square, it is sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta equal to 49 by 169. Okay, so sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 49 by 169. So from this we can write that the value of 2 sine theta cos theta is what? It is actually 1 minus 49 by 169. Okay, so 2 sine theta cos theta equal to what? It is actually 169 minus 49 by 169. Okay, so it is actually what? 2 sine theta cos theta, it is 120 by 169. Okay, now we have to find the value of sine theta plus cos theta. So at first we will take the value, we will take the square of sine theta plus cos theta. That means
we will find out the value of sine theta plus cos theta whole square. Then just we will take the root of the value of sine theta plus cos theta whole square, and we will get the value of sine theta plus cos theta. So it is actually what sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Now, from the above equation or above expression that we have been given in the question, sine theta minus cos theta equals to 7 by 13, we have arrived at the result that 2 sine theta cos theta equals to 120 by 169. Okay, so in place of 2 sine theta cos theta, just we will replace the value 120 by 169. Okay, so if you see carefully, this sine theta plus cos theta means 1 plus it is actually what 120 by 169. Now if I take the LCM, it is 169 plus 120 by 120. Sorry, this is 169 by, it is 169. So it is actually what 169 plus 120 means 289 by 169. Okay, so we have got that sine theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 289 by 169. So from this we can write that sine theta plus cos theta is actually what? Sine theta plus cos theta is root over 289 by 169. So it is actually what? It is 17 by 13. Okay. So the required answer is, that means the value of sine theta plus cos theta is actually 17 by 13. Okay. This is the required answer for this question. So that's all for today. I hope that all of you have understood the problems that I have done, and I hope that you will be able to solve all the problems. So in the next class, we will solve the rest of the problems, okay, that are remaining from this exercise. That means exercise 23.3 of trigonometry. So we will solve the rest of the problems, okay, that is left. So I hope that all of you will be able to do the problems by own. Okay. So until then, please stay safe, take care, and thank you so much for watching.